Kia ora, g'day, bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making another cookie with 3 ingredients. We're going to see how this works. It's a strawberry almond cookie. So we start with almond flour. I'm going to use some strawberry jam. You can use preserves that usually has way less sugar. It's more natural and it's chunkier, or you could use a jam. Now I'm not using as much jam yet as they said. I couldn't find any preserves. So we're just going to mix that all together, and then we're going to add some vanilla essence. You can add almond essence. You can change the preserves to a different fruit. It's quite a versatile recipe. And that's it. We mix it all together and it's going to be sticky. So when you roll the cookies, make sure that you oil your hands first. So we're going to mix this all up. And spray some oil on my hand so I can mix the rest myself. By hand, I find that's easier. If I can use less jam, then better. All right, here we go. So it's just, they only make 6 cookies, this recipe. So if you like them, just double it. So it's gonna look like this. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna roll them into balls. So I don't know how many, it says 6, but it could make more. So roll them into balls, put them on your tray. What we're gonna do is leave a little space in between. And then what we're gonna do is, you don't have to put, I'm gonna put a fruit on top, like a sliced strawberry. You don't have to, but it will keep the cookie quite moist if you like them soft. And if you don't want to use jam, you can use maple syrup. It'll just be a little bit crunchier if you like a crunchier cookie. So they're gonna look like this. Very pretty looking. So we're gonna finish rolling them. We're gonna put them in the oven and then I'll come back and show you what they look like when they're done. Okay, so the cookies are done. They took about 12 minutes. They look really pretty. There you go. There's one that I made an extra one, so it didn't have a strawberry on it. So we're gonna try that one. They're soft. If you want them crispy, take the jam out and use maple syrup. But they're really soft, not too sweet. It called for 5 tablespoons of jam. I put 4, just about 4 in there. That's it. You can't get easier than that. Really delicious, warm or cold. Store them in an airtight container for a couple of days. And that's it. Strawberry almond cookies. Enjoy.